Hey guys, welcome to the another video of our IT Buddies channel, and this is the very small video about how you can deploy your application with the help of Netlify. So basically Netlify is a very good platform and it provides us a facilities like hosting and deploying, and that is completely free. Now I want to show you what I want to deploy. So this is a very basic typing game that I built using HTML, CSS and JavaScript. If you haven't watched this video about how to create this project, then the link is in the description. So now let us go inside our Netlify. If you visiting first time, then you have to go inside sign up option. Now the way of development I will show you. With the help of that, you can put any language project, like it may be React or Angular or any JavaScript project, or if you are working on Python, Ruby or any language platform, either it may be contain only HTML, CSS and JavaScript file, then you will also allow to put or develop your application with the help of Netlify. So this is the very best way. Now let's go on this new site from Git. So basically Git is a version control, or you can also say that is cloud platform on which you are allowed to put your project codes. Now I am using GitHub, so I want to authorize my GitHub with this Netlify. But if you are using GitLab or anything, then that is completely okay. Now let's click on this GitHub, and here you can see my GitHub account is authorized with this Netlify. And if you don't know how to put your code on GitHub, then don't worry, I will show you. Here you can see all of my repositories is showing successfully. So now let's open my GitHub. If you are visiting first time, you have to go inside sign up option, and here I want to click on this new button to create new repository. So this is my demo repository. So now click on this create repository. Here there are the simple steps. With the help of that, you can put your code inside this GitHub. So now I want to open my project, that is typing game, and write here cmd. So it will automatically open our command prompt, and the first command here we have to write, that is git init. So let's copy this and paste here. So here you can see our GitHub is initialized. Now to add our all of the files, we have to write git add spacebar and then dot and press enter here. So here you can see all of my files inside this project is added. Now here we have to write our third command, that is git commit. So here you can see my git commit is not working because they don't identify me. So first you have to copy this and paste here, and inside this I want to write my email ID. If you don't get this message, then you don't have to write this code. Now I want to press enter, and again I want to pass this commit message. So here you can see all of my files are committed now. Now let's open our GitHub, and I want to copy these last three steps and paste here and press enter. Now here our GitHub will ask sign in with your browser. It will ask me because I am using first time for you guys, but if you are did this earlier, then they will not ask you these steps. So here you can see all of my project code is successfully deployed on GitHub. Now you can go inside this repository and refresh. So here you can see all of our codes is inside this GitHub. Now let's open our Netlify, and here we have to provide our demo repository. So now let's refresh this page. Our repository name is demo, that is here. So let's click on this. Now you have to click on this button. It is very simple. So now let's click on this. Here you can see our site deploying is now processed, and here it is successfully developed. It is very fast. So now I want to go inside site settings and change site name. So I write here this demo.netlify.app, but this name is already taken. So I write here my name. Here you can see our site URL is here, and if you click on this, our application is deployed successfully with the help of Netlify. I hope you guys understand what I do for developing our project with the help of Netlify. That is completely easy, and if you have any question, then let me know inside the comment box. And you are able now to deploy your project and get your custom URL, then you can share this URL with your friends and say them, I built this amazing website. So this is it for application deployment, and if you like this video, then give me a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe my channel if you are visiting first time. Thank you and bye bye.